File test 1. Listening 1. 1.
Well, my interview was in Manchester, an hour from my house by train. It was in the afternoon and there were plenty of trains, so I wasn't worried about getting there on time. What a mistake that was. When I got to the station to catch my train, there was a sign which said that all trains were cancelled because a tree had fallen across the track. There was a replacement bus service, but it was much slower. There was no way I could have made it on time.
2.
To be honest, I didn't expect to be offered an interview, so I hadn't really thought about what I should wear. I mean, it was a trendy fashion company, so I guessed I'd just go along in my newest outfit. Well, when I got to the interview venue, a posh hotel, I was shown to the waiting room. It was full of men and women dressed in very smart suits and holding briefcases. I was so embarrassed.
3.
It wasn't a difficult question, really. I'd prepared really well, but the atmosphere in the room was kind of intimidating. I mean, I hadn't expected there to be 4 interviewers. I guess nerves got the better of me. I was so keen to make a good impression, but when that first question came, I just froze. I couldn't say a thing. I just felt those 4 sets of eyes on me, waiting expectantly. It would have helped if I'd had a glass of water or something.
4.
I expected to be asked some tough questions at my university interview, so I had prepared really thoroughly. But when I got into the interview room, the guy looked at my application and said, "So it says you play the guitar in your spare time. Tell me about it." Well, we had a sort of weird, informal chat for the rest of the interview, and all the time I was thinking, why isn't he asking me any academic questions? I can't have got in. But I needn't have worried. I did get in.
5.
I'd never been to one of those corporate interviews before. I thought it'd just be a couple of business executives asking me questions, but I was shown to a room with several other people. We were told we were going to participate in several rounds of interviews. The first was a group interview, where we all had to say why we were worth employing. People would be eliminated after each round. Well, I just got up and left. I mean, who'd want to work for a company that puts that much pressure on their employees?